Today we're going to be patterning shotguns for turkey hunting. One of the things you want to be thinking about when you're patterning a shotgun is to have a turkey choke, or personally I like to shoot a turkey choke. You can also shoot a full choke, but a turkey choke is going to give you a little bit tighter constriction. I like to shoot multiple different turkey loads, and what that's doing is it's letting my gun decide kind of what combination works best. And I like to shoot number 5s, but you can shoot number 6s, number 4s, anything like that. Possibly even a variety of different like 5, 6, and 7s all in one. I like to sit down in a seated position with my knees up. The reason I'm doing this is because this is a real life scenario of how I'm gonna probably shoot a turkey, or want to be sitting up against a tree or something like that while I'm turkey hunting. So I want to shoot from the same type of position as I would while I'm hunting. So what we're going to do here is we're going to shoot all 4 of these loads at 20 yards and at 40 yards. And we're going to kind of see what is the best pattern on a turkey target, because if we're going to be shooting turkeys, we should be shooting a turkey target to kind of look at like how many pellets are actually hitting the head and the neck area. But we're going to go through and shoot these and see which one works best. So that's round 1. We've shot all the different loads at the 4 different targets, and you know, we don't really have a clear picked winner because we're only at 20 yards, but now when we back it up to 40 yards, it's really going to get interesting. So we just got done shooting all of these loads and kind of looking over the different targets. Everything would be great for 20 yards. Every single load would work. But once that we got out there to 40 yards, give or take, load 1 just didn't hold up. I think there was only 12 or 14 pellets that were actually in the turkey. So we just kind of put that one away. Number 2's pretty good. We had 28, I think it was. So that's not bad. I mean, that would obviously kill a turkey at 40 yards. We go to load 3 and we got 38 in that one. And at 20 yards, you can see it right here. I mean, it just absolutely destroyed it. So, and then finally load 4. Again, I mean, it hit really, really hard right there in the center, and then it had 42 at 40 yards. So, you know, I would easily take load 3 or load 4 into the field and want to take, you know, shoot a bird at 40 yards pretty easily. So there we go. That's the basics of patterning a shotgun for turkey hunting. It's pretty easy. I mean, just pick a few different loads, get your turkey choke in there, and shoot it. You'll be ready to go.